Let's start a business together and make money. Feeling broke and anxious? Working like crazy but still can't save a dime? Stop struggling on your own. I've got a legit way to make money. No upfront investment needed. Start your own business from home. Why is this trustworthy? Backed by a state-owned company, exclusive authorization for health supplements, 100% legal and safe. Real passive income model. No inventory. No selling. The system automatically distributes profit, save money for personal use. Earn money by sharing. You can make 5,000 yen plus just from supplements. Free training group. Step by step guidance until you're up and running. Perfect for office workers who want a side hustle but fear scams, stay-at-home moms who are short on time and cash, anyone feeling stuck in life and ready for change. Super easy to get started. Add me on WeChat. Gayo 767,301,666. Follow the steps and see results this month. Why wait and watch? Take action now. Add me on WeChat and unlock your second paycheck today.